Today, I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare a hot piper. Now, it's another coffee drink, so you're going to want to get your coffee ready. And we're going to start with our tequila. We're going to go 2 parts of our tequila to half a part of our dark creme de cacao. So the way that we're going to look at this here is going to be basically, we could do 1 ounce to 1/4 ounce. It's probably our best bet. So with our tequila, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then with our dark creme de cacao, just a quick 1/4 ounce pour, so 1. That's going to get us to where we want to be. And then we're going to go for a couple splashes of lemon juice right into our coffee mug. And then we're going to top the rest of our mug off with our coffee. I personally always like to add whipped cream and a maraschino cherry to my coffee drinks, but this doesn't really call for it. And seeing as we got tequila and lime here, it's really going to be a good drink to, open up the sinuses, clear that throat. I would drink one when I was sick, so there you go, a hot piper. Hope you enjoy.